I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for, no ma'am.
We've got a wild one today. A self-proclaimed sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by a no-nonsense judge during a court hearing over, get this, driving without insurance. You honestly can't make this stuff up. This woman tries to argue that the laws don't apply to her because she doesn't consider herself a US citizen. Yep, she pulls the classic sovereign citizen move, insisting she's exempt from basic traffic laws. But instead of making any headway, she ends up digging herself into a deeper hole while the judge calmly but firmly dismantles every bogus claim she throws out. If you enjoy jaw-dropping courtroom moments like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive in.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this Karen think she is? Seriously? She's trying to get the entire case thrown out by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. Like, how does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the law. That's just how it works. It's called implied consent. That means when you use public infrastructure, like roads, you're automatically agreeing to basic legal requirements, like having insurance. No amount of made-up legal jargon is going to change that. What do you all think? Should we stop giving these sovereign citizens a platform? Or do they actually have a point? Let's get back into it.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get even more heated than the last hearing. This time, our favorite sovereign citizen Karen completely loses it, and the judge takes her apart, argument by argument. Honestly, I can't wrap my head around how she thinks. It's not like buying car insurance is some secret government plot. It's literally there to protect everyone on the road. But no, she's convinced it's all some massive injustice. The judge, though, is about to hit her with some cold, hard facts. And let's just say, she does not take it well. Instead of backing down, she just keeps doubling down and digging herself into a deeper and deeper hole. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are we watching the rise of a freedom fighter or just another courtroom meltdown? Now, let's jump into the next hearing and see how it all goes down.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I'm asking you to this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm attorney in fact. Listen.
Attorney of fact. I swear, every time a sovereign citizen drops this phrase, it's like they think it's some kind of magical legal cheat code. They toss it around like it's going to automatically win their case. But that's just not how the legal system works. If this woman really wants to represent herself or act on behalf of some made-up entity in court, she'd need something real, like a P number, as in an actual attorney license. You can't just walk into a courtroom, reject your name, and make up your own legal rules. That's not sovereignty, that's fantasy. Honestly, these sovereign citizens are so out of touch it's almost like they are role-playing in a courtroom. Let's keep it moving and see how far she takes this nonsense.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet. Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice? Janvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Janvier Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know whose side you're on in this courtroom showdown, the sovereign citizen or the side of common sense. Personally, I've got to give props to the judge here. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let the nonsense slide, which is exactly how it should be. Too often, you see judges giving these sovereign citizens way too much leeway, and honestly, that just adds fuel to the fire. Sometimes it's better to stay firm, keep things moving, and shut it down quickly. But what do you think? Did the judge handle it perfectly? Or should she have come down even harder? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild courtroom moments just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.